Hey everybody, Metalhead Wife here, and I got a new necklace in yesterday, baby gold. So we're gonna open it, and it's my first piece from baby gold. This is Whiskey. He just wanted to come in and get in the way, and hopefully he'll get out of my way so I can open this box. Excuse me, buddy. You gotta wait. Okay. Anyway, let me put my eyeballs on, and we're gonna check this out. My first purchase, I really wanted, I got a diamond solitaire necklace. I really wanted to get one from Cartier, but I was finding it difficult to justify the price of a Cartier diamond solitaire necklace when it's a very common design. It's not unique to Cartier. See, this is unique to Cartier. Wear and tear video on this coming up. But this is not. I mean, there's some aspects of a Cartier DM1 necklace that are unique, but ultimately, one being the very sparkly chain and the super cute Cartier logo that hangs off the end, but thought we'll give this a try. This arrived very quickly. I ordered it Friday evening, and I got it yesterday on Wednesday. So let's take a look. Made in LA, always 14K, it says. So this is a little card that comes with it. It's a nice box. It feels nice. Okay. So it's 14, I got it in 14 karat rose gold. I got the medium diamond size. There was a 0.3, a 0.7, and a 0.12, and I thought, I'll get the 0.7. Now they say this is G color, and I think they said VS1 or VS2 clarity. The fact that they listed that, I thought was pretty interesting. But I love the feel of this box. It's very luxe. I will definitely keep this box for it. Now let's gently pry it out. And let's hope the chain is not tangled. So it's packaged very well. This was normally $250. They had a 20% off Mother's Day. I am a mom of a furry child. That's about it. And it's not tangled. So it's 14 karat rose gold. It is a tiny diamond. I'm glad I got the medium size. I can only imagine how small the small size was. And I got it in the adjustable 16, 18-inch chain. So this cost me, after discount, $200. $200. All right, so now we're going to see about the quality. I've heard good and bad about the quality. I'm going to wear it for a while, and then I'm going to get back to you in a follow-up video. But they're having their 20% off until tomorrow, so if you want to go for it, they have it advertised all over Instagram, everywhere they have the sale. So it's not a secret code or anything like that. But it did not come tangled. I'm going to wear it. Supposedly, I should be able to wear it and not take it off. So we'll see what happens. Also coming up, I'll be doing more follow-up videos, like I said, about my Cartier Clash and some others, the wear and tear. What I like to usually do is when I get a new piece of jewelry is I like to wear it as much as I can most every single day to see what it goes with, how it handles being layered with other things. Does it go with the outfits I wear? Not that I wear any real outfits, but whatever. But anyway, so, you know, I like to give it a month. And do I take it off during that month? Why did I take it off? Stuff like that. Because to me, it's one thing to open it and show you something brand new. It's another thing to wear it day after day and get feedback on it. So I will be doing some follow-up videos soon. Anyway, thank you for my super quick unboxing, and I will talk to you all later. Have a great day.